Ernest Gulbis was a polarizing figure during his time on the tennis tour. Ernest Gulbis officially ended his career this February after being inactive for more than a year. At the height of his career, the Latvian reached the world's top 10 and recorded wins over Roger Federer and Novak Djokovic. But he was better known for his off-court antics, claiming that he traveled to tournaments in his dad's private jet and getting arrested for unknowingly meeting a prostitute before he was meant to compete. Gulbis was a polarizing figure during his days on the tennis tour, often speaking his mind and becoming embroiled in controversies. The six-time title winner once claimed that the Big Four were boring. He also came from a wealthy family, with his oligarch father being one of the richest men in Latvia while his mother was a theater actress and her dad, Gulbis' grandfather, was a director and actor. The 35-year-old was rumored to have used his dad's private jet to travel to tournaments. Asked whether the claims were true during an interview in 2010, he told The Telegraph, "Yes, and I have a helicopter, a submarine and a spaceship." Gulbis also explained that he wasn't motivated by money thanks to his family's fortunes, "Because I come from a wealthy family, it's more normal for me to have this money as a tennis player. It's okay if it's there, it's okay if it's not there. It's not a big issue for me. If you come from a poor family, you want to pull yourself up, you have a goal to earn money. I don't have that goal," he added. But his wealth and status as a top tennis player couldn't help him in an unusual incident that saw him get arrested and spend a night in jail after walking into a Swedish hotel with a prostitute. Gulbis eventually paid a small fine and was released in time to compete in the 2009 Stockholm Open. The former world number 10 said he had no clue the woman he met was a prostitute but recommended spending a night in prison. "When I meet a girl, I don't ask her what her profession is. I don't ask if she's a hairdresser or something else. I just meet her, and she meets me. She maybe doesn't ask what I'm doing," he explained. "Anyway, if she does ask, I usually lie. I say that I do nothing or I'm a musician or something. Suddenly, the police come and take me to jail, so I spend the night in jail for nothing, really nothing. So I'm upset with the Swedish government.